It's easy to offer your customers multiple units of the same item in one transaction. It's called multi-buy. It works by offering a prominent tiered discount on your listings when more quantities of the same item are being ordered. The buyer selects multiple units with one click, and the reduced price is automatically applied. When you activate it on your listings, not only could your average order size go up, but it could improve your profit margins. If you offer free delivery, sending multiple units together in one parcel can be more profitable than paying for individual postage costs. And if you charge separately for postage, it encourages people to buy more units because they save on combined postage too. With multi-buy, you're in control of which listings you run it on, how much of a discount you offer, and whether you apply it as a long-term pricing strategy or a short-term promotion. Multi-buy is perfect for items that people buy regularly. Whether you sell vitamins or beauty products, car parts or household supplies, it's a great way to get people to stock up now. Plus, it works for any time people order multiple units as a one-off. For instance, when they're buying gifts or they just want to have a spare. The promotion is available to all sellers. Non-shop subscribers can access it from the Active Listing tab only, while shop subscribers can add a multi-buy promotion also from the Marketing tab. Here's how to do it. Go to the Marketing tab on Seller Hub, select Promotions and create a promotion. Choose multi-buy from the drop-down menu, and from there you can set up your offer. You need to specify which listings you apply multi-buy to. Please be aware that only fixed price listings with multiple units available qualify. You could have multi-buy on your listings within a matter of minutes. So, what are you waiting for?